It is an ideal gluten-free, fat-free, no-carb, healthy alternative to maida and other such packaged noodles. Yeah, this is also taste-free.
The life cycle of avocado is just very weird.
And there are times when that works for me. So
I don't know how she makes 1 kg dumbbells feel this heavy.
am I being too harsh? I have half, so I can try.
To just shake it off and then
And I have thoughts.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
hi, good morning. It is 7:24 and I'm just having my pre-workout. So protein, creatine, coffee, and I have a cream cheese with everything bagel seasoning sourdough toast. Yeah, so avocados are not yet ripe. I have 3 avocados. Like the life cycle of avocado is just very weird. Like it's going to take days to be at a stage where you can eat it, but then immediately, like 2 seconds after, it goes bad. Anyway, luckily I really liked the cream cheese toast yesterday, and I feel like it's because of the sourdough toast too. This is basically, this particular sourdough bread has cheese also in it, so maybe that makes it even better. So I'm going to have this and get to my workout in some time.
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet, gummy pears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller. Does my voice make you paralyzed? Can you handle that? Now navigate, lick up my plate. Communicate, no hands when I spray. Shit, girl, not me. I'm NBC. Real thick babe. Ain't no quick bait.
Just finished the workout and wow, I don't know how she makes 1 kg dumbbells feel this heavy. Like 2 minutes and I start feeling the weight of 1 kg dumbbells. Like it doesn't happen in any other workouts. Like I just constantly keep wishing if I could just go lighter. I don't have any lighter. So my god, 1 kg dumbbells also felt so brutal. Like, well, done with the workout. I will just walk for a while. I did a few stretches, but I would still walk for a few minutes to just shake it off and then proceed with the day.
It is 9:49 and I have to leave. I am ready, but I'm sweating like crazy. I just took my chia pudding. I had taken kiwi. I'll put up a picture, but I just mixed it all, and I have also carried my lunch. I'll try and take a picture of it during lunch. So I am carrying an orange if I want to snack, and I'm carrying my tempeh rice and some edamame and roasted chana also together to make it extra crunchy. So I'm going to have this, and I have to leave in some time. So I'll just eat and then leave for the day. I will see you back for dinner. It is 8:44 and I thought I'll have my dinner now. So, but let's discuss about lunch. I really like tempeh rice. I mean, I haven't eaten tempeh in a long time, and I thought I'd give it a try again. Usually, whenever I don't like something, I just start skipping it for a while, and then I try it after a long time. And there are times when that works for me. So I tried it now. One thing that I did change this time was that I took unflavored tempeh. Last time I tried some flavor and I did not really enjoy that. So I took unflavored tempeh and then I gave it a soy peanut butter. Like I love that combination, and you will again see why. So basically I did that, and the only thing that I did not like was I added soy sauce, peanut butter, garlic, a little bit of salt. But I think adding peanut butter, I don't think the peanut butter that I have has any other ingredient, but it still made tempeh a little bit sweet. I think the marination, I could feel that it is a bit sweet, but other than that it was a perfect lunch. And also edamame and roasted chana, that just added extra crunch, which I enjoyed. So lunch was fun. I think I can eat tempeh now again. Let's come to dinner now. So basically I thought I will try shirataki noodles, and I have thoughts. Well, the first thing is I shouldn't have, but I did. I was talking to a friend and I was talking about shirataki noodles, and I was a little surprised that there are only 6 calories in 100 grams. Well, this was 200 grams. I took only one serving. But honestly, I took one serving because I was scared of how it's gonna taste like, because it just felt slimy when I cleaned it. So, because otherwise I don't think, I mean, if I pair it well, then definitely it becomes filling, but just noodles in itself, I don't think that's going to do anything. Even 200 grams of this is not going to do anything to me when it comes to, just eating something filling. So I have my doubts about this, but let's come to my plate now. So I have basically made, there are a lot of things, and I don't think you can see the shirataki noodles. Let me show it to you. Can you see? Yeah. So basically, let me explain. Let me show it to you again. So basically, I was a bit disappointed on seeing the noodles, and I didn't know that, and I was hungry, so I wasn't sure if this is going to fill me up. So I basically added a lot of veggies. So there is capsicum, there's, what else? There's purple cabbage. Let me show it to you. So there's purple cabbage. Then there's spring onion, and there's a lot of paneer and carrots. So a lot of veggies, carrots, and a lot of paneer. So my noodles are not visible. But anyway, so I wanted to, this has same sauce that I described as marination for tempeh. So it is a soy sauce, peanut butter, there's chili oil. That's pretty much it, I think. And a little bit of salt. I was scared to add more salt because of soy sauce. So a little bit of salt. And that's basically the sauce for these noodles. And then I just sauteed all the veggies and paneer And I did roast some peanuts and I cut it up and put it on top because I like it that way. I just kind of had pad thai noodles concept in my head, and I really love peanuts. So I added some crushed peanuts on top, and also let me show it to you. I air fried. It looks burnt, but I am assuming this would taste really good. So I basically air fried onions. I sprayed some oil and I air fried onion. So there's air fried onion also on top. Let me show it to you again in case you missed it. Yeah, so now that my plate is filled with vegetables and paneer and onions and peanuts, I feel like I can eat these noodles and still feel full. So let's give it a taste test. I have never tried shirataki noodles before, so I want to taste the noodle first. Like, do I like the texture? Because otherwise there's no point in adding. I could like very easily just eat sauteed vegetables. So give me a second. Now that our liner is off, I want to taste the noodle first. This feels like I'm eating a balloon. Like, it's a bit stretchy, but it's like I'm just eating water. Like, it makes sense that it has 6 calories. Like, I don't think it's enjoyable on its own. Let me taste some veggies together. Better. I mean, I'm not really tasting the noodles. Like, I mean, I don't see the point. Like, would I really? I have half, so maybe I could try a different recipe, but it is an ideal gluten-free, fat-free, no-carb, healthy alternative to maida and other such packaged noodles. Yeah, this is also taste-free. I feel like if I cannot eat it by itself, I feel like if I add other flavorful things, then it's okay to eat. But I feel like I could just have a plate of, sauteed vegetables, because this is basically not adding anything. Am I being too harsh? I have half, so I can try. Well, this plate basically, I just mixed everything. So this kind of came out of my head, the idea. But I should probably maybe give it another try and follow a recipe for once. So let me check a few recipes of this, because this is not working. Like, might as well just skip it. Like, it doesn't make or break my experience of eating sauteed veggies. I want to say noodles, but like, really, I don't really. A little disappointed. I mean, it's like, it tastes like water has a weird taste. Okay, that's all for the review. But I think I will look for a few recipes and maybe try one more recipe, because I have half left. And so far, I am not interested in buying more shirataki noodles. So let's give it another try tomorrow, and we'll see. So now I am almost done with my day, so I am going to have my dinner and I will watch some TV. That's all for tonight. I will see you tomorrow.